What if French onion soup became a 30 minutes chicken dinner? One pan, big flavor, no soup bowl required. I'm using about 1.5 pounds of boneless chicken thighs, cut in smaller pieces. Season both sides with some salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. That's it. Keep the seasoning simple because the onions are going to do the heavy lifting. Now sear the chicken on high medium heat with some olive oil. Keep in mind, we're not cooking it all the way yet. We just want the color. That golden crust is the flavor and it's going to stay right in the pan. Now let's take the chicken out for now. It will finish cooking in the sauce later. Add a tablespoon of butter and scrape up all those brown bits from the pan. Use 2 large or 3 small onions. I'm using 2 large ones, thinly sliced. Cook them for about 10 to 12 minutes, but your timing may vary. I like mine deeply caramelized. That's where that sweet, rich flavor comes from. Just don't let them burn. Once onions are getting close to be done, add 3 cloves of minced garlic and then half a teaspoon of dried thyme, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of flour, and mix all ingredients well. Then add 1 cup of low sodium beef broth, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a teaspoon of balsamic vinegar, and make sure everything mixes well together. Now let's add the chicken back and nestle it into those caramelized onions. They're packed with flavor. Lower the heat and simmer until chicken is fully cooked. Now for that classic French onion soup, I'm using a cup of shredded Gruyere and some mozzarella cheese to help for that cheese pour. Now very low heat, cover for 1 more minute just until the cheese melts. Garnish with some fresh chopped parsley. Now here's another option. If your skillet is oven safe, you can place it under the broiler in your oven for just about a minute or two to get that cheese bubbly and golden. Keep your eyes on it, otherwise it can go from perfect to burnt fast. I think this is perfect just by itself, but you can serve it with a small side of mashed cauliflower or mashed potato, rice, or a crusty bread. So this has the comfort of French onion soup, but it eats like a full dinner. And if you're looking for another healthy skillet dinner, please check out my other videos on the screen and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, stay healthy and take care.